Hi students, welcome to the second video about shifting cost curves, part 2. Okay, as you recall, there are two situations when we shift cost curves. Situation 1, when fixed costs change, only the AC shifts. On the other hand, when variable costs change, then both MC and the AC will shift. So today we're going to talk about the second situation. So before we start, think again. What is the starting point? Is it supernormal, normal, or subnormal profits? Here we assume that the original point is supernormal profits, and the scenario is that it experiences a decrease in variable costs, which is again a happy thing. Okay, as mentioned earlier, when variable costs change, both the MC and AC shift. Okay, so as usual, draw your axis, price, revenue, cost, output. Draw your AR, MR, and MC curve to find the original price and quantity, P0 and Q0. Then draw the AC below the AR curve. Our initial scenario is that it is a supernormal profit situation. Okay, but of course, if the question gave you another scenario, a subnormal profit situation and so on, then your AC should be above the AR. After that, we can find out the original profit point, which is P0, A, B, and C0. Okay, so this one is the exact same thing as your previous video. Okay, now, as mentioned earlier, the scenario, okay, is that variable costs have changed, and in this case, it's a decrease in variable cost. So you shift the marginal cost down, okay, and find the intersection point between the new marginal cost and the marginal revenue curve, which is here. Okay, from here, draw dotted lines down to find quantity and dotted lines up to hit the AR to find price. So this is your new price and quantity, P1 and Q1. You now have an opportunity to check your work. If variable costs have decreased, the new price should be lower and the new quantity should be higher. So let's look at this. P1 is lower than P0. So given that there's a lower cost, the consumers pay a lower price. This makes sense. Okay, on the other hand, quantity has increased from Q0 to Q1. Again, because you have become more efficient, your marginal cost is lower, you can produce more than beforehand. So you can check this. If ever you shift the MC down and you find that you end up with price becoming higher or quantity becoming lower, then the intersection that you have chosen between MC and MR might be wrong. So to recap, when marginal cost decreases, your price should decrease and your quantity should increase. Conversely, if marginal cost increases, then your price should go up and your quantity should drop. Okay, now here, our job is not done. We've only found the new P and Q. We need to find the new profit area. So you shift AC downwards. Okay, so both MC and AC will shift in the same direction when variable costs change. So here, since MC has decreased, then AC has decreased as well. Okay, so now find the intersection between AC1 and the quantity dotted line, so which is here. From here, you can find your new cost point on the y-axis. Okay, now we have the new cost point C1. Therefore, you can find the new supernormal profit region of P1, D, E, and C1. Okay, so that is it. Okay, so just remember, when the scenario mentions that only fixed costs have changed, then you only shift the AC while keeping the MC constant. However, if in the scenario there's some indication that variable costs have changed, you need to shift both the MC and AC. Okay, it's a lot more complicated, but maybe watch this video a few more times and you should be able to get it. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you guys can figure this out as quickly as possible. Good luck, guys!